Kirby, that's the name you should know. Kirby, that's the name you should know. Bang, 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 bang. Kirby is the one. How can I fuck you, King DDD? Gay NME.
You gotta help us.
Using large chunks of unedited material.
Got back right. Yeah.
That's ridiculous. There's no monster in this castle. You better get it with a money-back guarantee. That's King DDD.
A monster, huh? Would the monster happen to look anything like that?
That's it! That's the monster!
Well, you can see this ain't no monster. It's my new 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 chook.
Of course it wouldn't. Now get out and go back to your trailer park so the king can have his dessert.
Gonna have to give it a 3 out of 10.
Well, I predict you're dead wrong. Isn't an alien like us?
Mash it with your mallet.
Looks like an alien invader. Alien invader.
Are you space alien?
Invader.
Kirby.
That's the name you should know. And fishing ants.
Kirby.
Luigi, gotcha.
That's a good one, Escargoon. Hey, I do believe I've been starstruck.